Looking for inspiration to start your crochet journey? Here are 100 beginner-friendly crochet ideas that are easy, fun, and totally trendy. Whether you want to make gifts, fashion pieces, or home decor, there's something here for you. These 100 crochet ideas are in 10 categories. Let's dive in. Small and quick projects. 1. Crochet flowers, perfect for decorating bags, hats, or gifts. A fun way to practice your stitches. 2. Granny squares, a beginner classic. Master these, and you can build blankets, tops, or bags. 3. Keychains, tiny, quick, and cute. Great for using up scrap yarn. 4. Hair scrunchies, trendy and useful. Make one in under 30 minutes. 5. Bookmarks, flat and fast, perfect for gifts or selling at craft fairs. 6. Coasters, great to practice circles and color changes. Plus, they're functional. 7. Mini hearts, adorable and super fast. Use as appliques or gifts. 8. Cup sleeves, eco-friendly and stylish for your hot drinks. 9. Wristbands, fashionable and a great way to test new patterns. 10. Mug rugs, a flat, mini placemat. Practice borders and stitch consistency. Wearables for beginners. 11. Crop tops. Simple shapes and easy stitches make this stylish piece beginner-friendly. 12. Bandanas, triangle scarves that double as hair wraps, so versatile. 13. Halter tops, easy to shape and customize, perfect for summer. 14. Headbands, quick to finish and trendy to wear. 15. Bucket hats, beginner-friendly hat you'll actually want to wear. 16. Fingerless gloves. No need for shaping fingers, great for chilly weather. 17. Scarves, perfect for beginners to practice rows and stitch changes. 18. Ponchos, big, cozy, and easier than they look. 19. Beanies, start from a circle or a rectangle. Either way, it's beginner approved. 20. Leg warmers, fun and retro. Make a matching pair in your favorite colors. Stylish crochet bags. 21. Tote bags, roomy, reusable, and super fun to make. 22. Crossbody bags. Perfect for on-the-go, start with simple rectangles. 23. Clutch purses, elegant and compact. Great for events. 24. Mini backpacks. Challenging yet rewarding, use simple techniques in fun ways. 25. Phone pouches, a pocket-sized project with practical use. 26. Drawstring bags, beginner-friendly and useful for storing small items. 27. Market bags, lightweight and reusable. A great eco-friendly choice. 28. Circle bags, start with a round base, then build up the sides. Super cute. 29. Coin purses, mini-sized but packed with style. 30. Fanny packs, trendy again and easier to make than you think. Before I continue, please like this video and subscribe for more crochet contents. Next is home decor items. 31. Pillow covers, customize your space with cozy handmade style. 32. Table runners, long, elegant pieces that show off your crochet skills. 33. Wall hangings, add texture and beauty to your walls. 34. Dishcloths, practical, quick, and perfect for gifting. 35. Placemats, make mealtime more stylish with handmade charm. 36. Plant hangers, elevate your space literally. 37. Baskets, sturdy and stylish for organizing your craft space. 38. Rugs, start small with round or rectangular patterns. 39. Bed runners, elegant and cozy additions for your bedroom. 40. Curtains, try small panels, perfect to test lacy stitch patterns. Giftable crochet projects. 41. Baby booties, tiny shoes, tons of cuteness. Great baby shower gifts. 42. Stuffed animals. Bring yarn to life with basic shapes and stitching. 43. Keychain dolls, small characters that bring big smiles. 44. Face scrubbies. Eco-friendly and perfect for skincare routines. 45. Soap holders, great gifts, combine function and style. 46. Cup cozies, add personality to your coffee cups. 47. Bookmark animals, creative, flat, and fun for readers. 48. Gift bags reusable? Handmade wrapping? Yes please. 49. Bow ties elegant and playful, suitable for pets or people. 50. Baby bibs functional and cute. Great for baby gift sets. Beginner amigurumi. 51. Teddy bear, the classic first toy. Simple shapes. Huge reward. 52. Be a viral favorite. Fast and adorable. 53. Mushroom, small and whimsical. A fun beginner plush. 54. Frog, easy to make and trending with all ages. 55. Bunny, perfect for spring gifts or baby toys. 56. Cat, a must-make for pet lovers. 57. Chick, cute, round, and beginner-friendly. 58. Whale, practice shaping with simple stitches. 59. Mini doll, fun for kids, try simple patterns first. 60. Penguin, round body, flippers, and a beak, it's cuteness overload. Fashion accessories. 61. Crochet belts. Simple strips that add style to dresses and jeans. 62. Earrings, lightweight and eye-catching, great way to use scrap yarn. 63. Necklaces, make bold, soft statement pieces with just a few stitches. 64. Anklets, tiny and trendy, perfect for beach days. 65. Brooches, add flair to jackets and bags with small decorative pins. 66. Hair clips, attach flowers or shapes to barrettes for a fun, personal touch. 67. Sun visors, practical and stylish for sunny days. 68. Crochet rings, a fun twist on finger fashion using yarn. 69. Arm warmers, fingerless and fashionable, perfect for cooler weather. 70. Ear warmers, like headbands, but thicker, great for fall and winter. Stylish home touches. 71. Table doilies, timeless and elegant, add vintage charm to your decor. 72. Chair pads, crochet some comfort for your seating. 73. Jar covers, make old jars new again, great for gifts or storage. 74. Soap saver bags, reusable and exfoliating, great zero waste swaps. 75. Tissue box covers, turn an everyday item into decor. 76. Remote holders, hang it on your couch arm, practical and neat. 77. Hot pads, trivets, protect your table in style. 78. Wall pockets, creative crochet storage, hanging on your walls. 79. Chair socks, say goodbye to floor scratches and hello to cute feet. 80. Door draft stoppers, keep the breeze out with a crochet roll. Back to school crochet ideas. 81. Pencil cases, zipped or buttoned, keep your stationery in style. 82. Notebook covers, personalize your journals or planners. 83. Bag charms, add crochet fun to backpacks and purses. 84. Laptop sleeves, protect your tech with handmade love. 85. Bookmark corners, clip onto the edge of your page, practical and cute. 86. Lunch bag covers, insulated and fun alternatives to plastic. 87. Lanyards, crochet your own key or ID holder. 88. Key fob wristlets, hands-free and easy to find in your bag. 89. Mini pouches, perfect for coins, AirPods or small accessories. 90. Water bottle holders, carry your hydration, hands-free and in style. Fun plus random crochet creations. 91. Crochet letters, spell out names or quotes, great for gifts and decor. 92. Phone stand bean bags, prop your phone with a squishy support. 93. Crochet snacks, from donuts to cookies, adorably fake food. 94. Tissue holders for purses, mini organizers for hygiene on the go. 95. Crochet clock face cover, add flair to your wall clock. 96. Camera strap covers, stylish, padded crochet for your DSLR. 97. Crochet slippers, easy to start, fun to wear. 98. Crochet toys for pets, make soft bones or balls for your furry friend. 99. Dream catchers, mix crochet with hoops and beads for boho vibes. 100. Crochet Christmas ornaments, start early and decorate with handmade joy. That's 100 beginner-friendly crochet ideas to try. Save this video for your next project inspiration. Which idea will you start with? Comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative crochet content.